Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with the final finishes montage video of all your lovely finishes. I am so excited to bring this montage video to you to show you all the amazing things that you guys worked on during the month of DP for Pets. There was an overwhelming amount of response, and I'm just super grateful for everyone who participated, and I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. It was an absolute blast seeing all of the different canvases that everyone worked on. Like I said, I have already made a shopping list of cute things that I saw that I was like, oh, I need that one. There were some duplicates, not nearly as many as I was expecting, so I was really happy about that. You will notice I've done something a little different this year. I opted to just put first names on the pictures. Some of you didn't want your names on there, so there will be some pictures with no names. I also left out my photos. I had so many of you guys, I really didn't feel like I needed to show my finishes again. So these are all just finishes from you out in the community. And yeah, again, just super grateful to everybody who made the event as awesome as it was. And I'm going to let you watch all of the finishes, look through everything, and then don't forget to come back at the end and we will do the drawing for the final prizes. Enjoy. All right, guys, I'm back. Hope you enjoyed watching all of everybody's lovely finishes. Like I said, I have an amazing time during the event, and I hope you did too. So let's spin my wheel and see who wins the final prize package. And the winner is Cindy Love. Congratulations, Cindy. If you will send me an email with your mailing information, my email is diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com. Send me an email so that I can get that prize out to you. And let's spin for the second time because I have a runner-up prize. So let's see who's going to get the runner-up prize. And the winner of the runner-up prize is Jennifer Mancia. Congratulations, Jennifer. So congratulations to both Jennifer and Cindy. Again, if you will both contact me, diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com, so that I can get your prize packages mailed out to you. Thank you again to everyone who participated in the event. It was amazing. Don't forget, I'll be hosting DP for Veterans in November, so be watching for that. And I should be hosting DP for Pets again next year, so make sure you have that on your calendar as well. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.